सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायां तृतीयः श्लोकः पठितः, पूर्णतः अभ्यासः अपि तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः अपि कृतः, परन्तु अभ्यासे तत्र 16 अंशाः सन्ति। There are 16 points in the exercise of the third poem, wherein we could do all but 2 points to be written out on the board. पंचदश अंशः आर्य छन्दसि अन्यमेकं श्लोकं लिखत इति। श्लोकः मया उक्तः परन्तु न लिखितः। 16 अंशः पठितश्लोकस्य सारांशं, तत्र सारांशं संस्कृतभाषया लेखितव्यं, तत्र तदपि लेखनीयमस्ति। एवं अंशद्वयम् अत्र लेखनीयमद्य। एतद् लिखित्वा अग्रे सरामः। चतुर्थः श्लोकः अनुवर्तते। सो बिफोर गोइंग टू द फोर्थ पोएम ऑफ दिस सुभाषित of Bhartruhari, we will finish the previous exercise wherein we have to I have to write the one poem in Arya Chandas and the summary of the third poem. So here we go, Srinivas. Board work in the beginning. अभ्यासः तृतीयः। कः श्लोकः स्मर्यते? रजनी। रजनीकरः किल शीतो रजनीकरः किल शीतो रजनीकरचन्दनाभ्यां 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 चन्दनमहाशीतः। प्रमादकृत। रजनीकरात् चन्दनो रजनीकरात् चन्दनो महाशीतः इति प्रथमार्धः। पठतु।
रजनीकरः किल शीतो रजनीकराच्चन्दनो
महाशीतः। रजनीकरचन्दनाभ्यां रजनीकरचन्दनाभ्यां सज्जनवचनानि, right, सज्जनवचनानि शीतानि। सज्जन वचनानि. Oh, it's going down. Sitani. Ayam shloka sajjana vachanani. So in the first quarter, as per that Arya meter, there are how many? Dvadasha matraha in the first one. In the second quarter, Dvitiya pade Ashtadasha matraha, Tritiya pade punaha Dvadasha, Chaturtha pade Panchadasha matraha santi. Matra tatra gananam gata kakshayam tatra varnitam. One lagu is one matra, dirgha is guru is dvimatrika. So two matras for guru, one matra for syllabic instances. That is how we counted. Rasva svarena lagu sware varnena ekamatrayaha nirdeshah bhavati. Dirgha svarena arthat guru varnena matra dvayasya gandana kriyate atra. This is Arya. So the meaning already explained, na? Rajanikara is Rajanim Karoti iti Rajanikaraha. The moon maker, means the night maker. Rajanim Karoti. The maker, night maker, not coffee maker. Similarly, Dinakaraha, opposite word we have Dinam Karoti iti Dinakaraha, Suryaha. Dinakaraha, Rajanikaraha. Kila Shitaha. शीतः अस्ति परंतु रजनीकरात् चंदनः महाशीतः. चंदनः यत् चंदनं शरीरे तत्र शरीरे लेपनं क्रियते चंदनस्य तत् चंदनः स चंदन महाशीतः भवति. रजनीकर चंदनाभ्यां रजनीकरात् चंदनात् द्वाभ्यां रजनीकर चंदनाभ्यां मोर देन दिस टू सज्जन वचनानि सज्जनानां वचनानि अथवा सज्जनस्य सत्पुरुषस्य वचनानि शीतानि भवन्ति इति. कीदृश प्रभावः तत्र सुभाषितस्य सुन्दरं सुष्ठु भाषितस्य वचनस्य का वा तत्र शक्तिः को वा प्रभावः अस्मिन् श्लोके स्पष्टतया दृश्यते. एंड देन व्हाट वी आर टू राइट, पठित श्लोकस्य सारांशम्. मूढ़ो जनः सुखेन बोधयितुं शक्यः. अहं भिन्नवर्णेन लिखामि. मूढ़ो जनः सुखेन, एतद् सम्यक् अस्ति वा लेखनी? बोधयितुं शक्यः. इति एकं वाक्यं. मूढः जनः सुखेन बोधयितुं शक्यः. अनन्तरं विद्वांस्तु नितरां विद्वान्तु सन्धिः कृतः अत्र. विद्वांस्तु यः विद्वान् भवति पंडितः भवति स तु नितराम् अत्यन्तम् अव्ययं नितरामिति पदस्य नितरां लिखामि. नितराम् अनायासेनैव नैव आयासं विना इति. विद्वांस्तु पंडितस्तु अनायासेन नितराम अत्यंतम अनायासेन और विशिष्य नितराम नाम विशिष्य पर्टिकुलरली विद्वान् अनायासेनैव अनुकूलयितुं शक्यः. अनुकूलयितुं शक्यः. शक्यः इति. पुनः we can put commas actually there, shakyah, but I am putting full stop. Kintu swalpenaiva jnanena, parantu kintu swalpenaiva sarla sandhi swalpenaiva kalena स्वल्पेनैव कालेन स्वल्पेनैव न कालेन किमपि लिखितं ज्ञानेन ज्ञानेन स्वल्पेनैव कालेन इति उक्तं मया, परन्तु दोषः कृतः. ज्ञानेन गर्वितमानसं जनम् गर्वितमानसं जनम् गर्वितमानसं जनम् ब्रह्मापि न प्रसादयितुं शक्नोति. ब्रह्मापि ब्रह्मापि Sandhi also can be done here. Na prasadayitum shaknoti. Prinayitum shaknoti. Prasadayitum shaknoti. Shaknoti Manushanam kakata. Kakata. What to say about human beings? Ithipati. Manushanam kakata. Manushanam tu kakata. Tu also can be put. Manushanam tu kakata. So, Mudo Janaha Sukena Bodhaitum Shakyaha. A fool is easy to be taught or to be convinced. Vidvamstu, but a scholar, Nitaram particularly, and especially Anayasenaiva Anukulaitum Shakyaha. A scholar can be very easily, without any difficulty, can be taught and convinced. Kintu Swalpenaiva Jnanena Garvita Manasam Janam. But a man who is puffed up with little knowledge, Brahmapi, Lord Brahma also cannot please him, cannot teach him. That is the summary of this. So Nitaram especially, which is an avyaya, always it means particularly, several meanings are there. So Nutana Sloka Srinivasa Gata Kakshayam Bhavata Pushtaha Asid Srinivasena Viranchi Shabdasya Vyutpattihi Maya Uhitum na shakyate tadanim. Unless we see, we cannot correctly tell. But there is a rachana in Virinchi, that much I know, but we have to look in. Virachayati bhutani iti. Virachayati bhutani, one who creates the living beings. Brahma. Virinchi. Virachayati bhutani iti. And there is another interpretation given by the scholars. Vibihi, vi tatra shabda asti kalu. Vihi nama pakshi. Vibihi pakshibihi. Not pakshibihi. Vibihi hamsaihi. Vi nama pakshi. Parantu atra vihi hamsena tatra hamsartah svikrutah. Hamsa iti. Vibhihi by the birds, namely Tannama Hamsaihi, Vibihi Trutiya, Hamsaihi by the Hamsaihi Richyate Uhyata iti, one who is carried by the swans, Brahma. So that is another interpretation given by the scholars. Panditaihi evam vividha tatra varnanatmakam tatra, what do you call, etymological, that word is not coming. Vyutpatti hi prastuta asti. Eka vyutpattihi asti virachayati bhutani iti sarlam tatra vyakyanam. Anya asti anyat vibihi hamsaihi uhyati or richyate uhyata iti, one who is carried by the swans iti. Punah tatra ekah dosha iva mudrana dosha vartate. On page Srinivas, I also faulted there while teaching. On page 16, in the word krudantas, naram. So we had that nru is what I said. Well, you have come to 16. Nru is there. Nru is namavachaka. It is a noun actually. The verb is nru. Dirgha is not printed. Nru naye narati nrunati narati iti. So nru ach is okay. The only dirgha is not there. That is where we were not clear in the last class. Which also means nru naye means leading, one who leads. So man is supposed to be, by this etymological meaning, a leader. Man is a leader or carrier. He carries unnecessary things more than what he requires. Patyatam. Shloka patyatam. Chaturtha shloka purvardhe. Not like that. Prasayya manimudharein makara vaktra dhamsrantarat.
Prasayya manimudharein makara vaktra dhamsrantarat. Samudramapi santaret prachala durmi malakulam. Bhujangamapi kopitum shirasi pushpavadharayet natu priti nivishtamurkhajana chittamaradhayet.
Iti भिन्नेन वृत्तेन वृत्तम अत्र परिवर्तितमस्ति, changed, the meter is changed here. पृथ्वी छंदस it is. So prasahya manimudharein makara vaktra damstrantarat samudram api santaret prachalad urmi malakulam bhujangam api kopitam shirasi pushpavad dharayet natu pratinivishta murka jana chittamaradhayet. अत्र मूर्खस्य विषयः पुनः अस्मिन् श्लोके को वा विषयः मूर्खः, कीदृशः मूर्खः, कीदृशं तस्य मूर्खत्वम् अत्र वर्णितमस्ति. तत्र त्रिभिः उदाहरणैः मूर्खस्य चित्तम् आराधयितुं न शक्यते इति निरूपयति कविः भर्तृहरिः. So the poet says here it's very difficult to please the confirmed fool. Pratinivishta murkha jana. That is the adjective here given. Pratinivishta murkha. We'll explain that later. Srinivas padachedam karomi. Prasayya iti avyaya padam. Manim uddharet makara vaktra damstrantarat. Makara vaktra damstrantarat. Samudramapi santaret prachalat urmi malakulam bhujangam api kopitam shirasi pushpavat dharayet. Kopitam api bhujangam shirasi pushpavat dharayet. Mala eva tatra dharayet. Natu etani सर्वाणि शक्यानि परन्तु अशक्यं नाम किञ्चिदस्ति तत् प्रतिनिविष्ट मूर्खजन चित्तं न आराधयेत् इति. One cannot please the fool. All impossible things said here may be made possible. The so-called impossible things can be made to be possible, but not this. That is how he has his own experience, and here we go. Pada Varjayam Srinivas Prasahya Manim Uddharet Upasarga Dhru Dhatu Ling Prayoga Vidhiling Prathama Purusha Eko Uddharet Uddharetam Uddhareyuhu Gachet Gachetam Gacheyuhu Athava Yadi Bhu Dhatuhu Smaryate Bhavadbihi. If you remember the Bhu Dhatu, Bhavet Bhavetam Bhaveyuhu iti. Uddharet iti Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Anantaram Makara Vaktras Damstrantarat Akarat Samasta Padamasti Samudram Api Avyayam Santaret Ling Punaha Vidiling Santaret. See, Uddharet has come there, Santaret. Prachalat Pumlinga. I think this goes with that. Prachalat Urmi Malakulam. One word. Urmi Malakulam. Okay, Urmi Mala is separately. No. The whole thing you have to take. That is why dash is there. Urmi Malakulam. But why he has broken there? Visheshana Samastapadam. It is Visheshana only. Bhujangam. This is now. Punaha Api Avyayam Kopitam. Visheshana Padam. Just a minute. When we come to that, grammatically we will see that. Kopitam. Shirasi. Saptami Ekos. Pushpavat. Vatyantam. Vat. There is Vatna. Vatvantam. Vatyantam. Dharayet. Why should he give? Nowhere he gives Churadigana, and I think I am keeping my students also in dark. In the beginning I have told Srinivas, since he has mentioned that Churadi, there are 10 classes of verbs. Dasha Ganaha Santi Samskrita Dhatushu. Yete Dhatavaha Sarvepi Dvisahasradika Dhatavaha Santi. There are more than 2000, actually 2200 you can say. Dvishatadika Dvisahasra Sankhyaakaha Dhatavaha Samskrita Bhashayam Santi. 2200 verbs are there, root verbs, Dhatavaha, which are divided into Dasha Ganeshu Yete Vibhaktaha Santi. Prathama Ganasya Pratyekam Tatra Ganasya Nama Api Tatra Nirdishtam Asti. Bhu Adi Gana, Bhuadi Gana, Adadi Gana, Juhotyadi Gana. Evam Rupena Yaha Dhatuhu Arambe Tasmin Yasmin Gane Arambe Bhavati Tena Dhatuna Tasya Nama Krutam. Bhu iti dhatuhu Bhuadi Gane Prathama Dhatuhu Asti iti Karanat Bhu Adi Bhuadi Gana iti Uchyate. Bhuadi Gane Bhuadi Gane Tatra Manye Sahasradika Dhatavaha Santi. Right in the first group of verbs, Gana, what we call in English grammar, first conjugation of verbs, 1050 verbs are there in the Bhuadi Gana. Now if you minus 2200, 1050, lot many are only in the first one. So that is the very, very important Gana. Bhavati, Likati, Pashyati, Dhavati, all these come under the Bhuadi Gana. So, and in each Gana, some more like that. In the Adadi Gana, second Gana is called Adadatu, Atti, Attaha, Adanti, Adat Khadane, Bhakshane. So, Adadatu comes. So, that Gana is named Adadi Gana. Juhotya, Juhoti. So, juhoti. First verb is there, dhatu, juhoti. Now this, what is mentioned in your book is churadi. Chur is the first dhatu there, the root verb. Chorayati, chur chorayati, chorayataha, chorayanti. Iti ayam ganaha antima ganaha. Dasha ganeshu churadi ganaha antima ganaha. That is the final gana, 10th class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ganas are there. All the dhatus are divided into, put into this Dashagani. In the beginning, for basic studies, we take up first gana, fourth gana, sixth gana and 10th gana. We study this. And we are also studying Adadigana, second gana, Juhotyadigana, etc. So that is, but the book does not want to bother. I think the writer's intention is, it is unnecessary to know, give so much information and bug you up, trouble you. It's a kind of, unnecessary, they felt information. A verb is a verb. Why should you know what class it belongs to? Maybe that is the intention of the book writers. So, but by, I don't know, somehow it slipped out and it is printed here, Churadigana. This is the 10th class. That is Vidiling. So it goes Dharaye Dharayetam Dharayeyu Na Avyayam Tu Avyayam Pratinivishta Murka Jana Chittam iti ekam padam samasta. Aradhayet. Again Churadiguna. In Churadigana, Srinivas, Churadigana, we have one letter more, like Chorayati. Every verb has 3 letters only. Bhavati, Pashyati, Khadati, Chinoti, Karoti, Krinati, whatever you take. But in Churadigana, the Gana Vikarana, what we say, the sign of that Gana is Aya. Whereas in others it is A, Ya, U, etc. But here it is Aya. So you take Chur Dhatu, put Aya, put the termination Ti. Chur takes it Guna, Choraya, Ti. So you find 4 letters. You can very easily make out any Darshayati, Pashyati, that is not the Choraya, Pidayati, Marayati, and whatever, Tadayati. These are all Churadigana. And mostly, sometimes Churadigana looks like a causal verb also looks like Churadigana. For example, Drush Dhatu is there. Pashyati, Pashyataha, etc. Darshayati, in Nijanta, in Preranartha, it becomes Darshayati. It exactly sounds like Churadigana, but it is not Churadigana. Like that. So we have finished this. Any more? Akanksha is coming. Uddharet. Uddharet means Uddharet. Can literally can pick up, take it out. Uddharet. Upliftment also it means. But here it means only taking out, extracting out, taking out. Uttadru. Should Uddharet means Vidiling, na? Vidhi. Given. Vidhi means potential mood. There is a force in that. And sometimes Uddharet means may take out, possibility also. Should, it does not mean should and must, but can or may take out. One may take out, extract. Kam Uddharet, take out what and whom? One may take out, one can take out, one possibility. We use Vidiling also in possibility. It is it may be possible to take out the money, the gem. Might take out a gem. Kasmat Uddharet, from where can one take out a gem? Damstra Antarat Uddharet. Makara Vaktra Mukha. Makara crocodile. Makarasya Vaktram Mukham. Makara Vaktram. Makara Vaktra Damstra. Makara Vaktre Ya Damstraha Bhavanti. Teeth. Dantaha Bhavanti. Dantebhyaha Makara Vadana Mukha Dantebhyaha Antarat, Madhyastat. From the middle of the teeth of the crocodile, one may take out a gem from the middle of the jaws of the crocodile. Here, Dhamstra means jaws is better. From the jaws of the crocodile. One may, that is only possibility. One may, one can. And then, Katham Uddaret, how can one extract this or take out this gem from the jaws of the crocodile? Prasahya. Prasahya nama by force. Hatat. Prasahya nama hatat. By force one can take out. Santaret. One can or one may cross over. Santaret. Tarati. Tarataha. Santaret. Kam santaret. I mean, cross over what? One may cross over. One might is better. One might cross over the ocean. Kidrusham samudram santaret. What type of sea can one cross over? So, prachalat, moving, urmimala akulam, a sea, an ocean which is agitated by the continuous, what do you call urmimala, waves. Prachalat, moving, urmimala. Urmi means tatra urminam mala. Mala means continuity. Like mala means a garland. Urmi tatra that waves, I am not getting the word for that. Urmi, wave. Urmi mala vyaha malakulam. The water disturbed by continuous waves of the ocean. Prachalat urmi malakulam samudram. Kidrusham samudram. That ocean which has been constantly disturbed because of the continuous waves. Agitated waves, but this, one might cross the sea. One might even cross the agitated sea. Agitated waves. Okay, let us go to the next. Dharayet, one may hold. Kam dharayet, hold what? Or put on. Dharayet also to put on. One may even put on a snake. Bhujangasya sarpasya dharanam api shakyam. Kidrusham api bhujangam dharayet. What type of snake can one put on the body? Understood? Body is understood. Kopitam api. Angered, raged, not angry, angered. Kopitam, kupitam, na kupitam. There is a difference here. I think I checked the meaning. It is angry, not angry. A snake is not angry. Here it is not kupita, it is kopita. Angered. It is made to, when you disturb a snake, it becomes angry. So it is angered, not angry. So that is the word kopitam. Kupita, kopita, difference if you find. Kopitam api bhujangam dharayet. One may even put on a very infuriated snake. Like what? Kidrusham api bhujangam dharayet. That is okay. Kopitam api bhujangam kutra dharayet. Where can one put on the snake? Angered snake?
Kopitam bhujangam shirasi dharayet.
One may even put on the angered snake on his head. Shirasi. Head means on the neck also. Katham dharayet? Pushpavat dharayet. So Shirasi is giving a clear cut, like we in India put on, decorate heads with flowers, like all women Maybe in the olden days, men also used to have some decoration on the head. So, Shirasi, natu kante, Shirasi pushpavat dharayet. One may even keep a snake, angered snake on the head like a flower. Na aradayet, but cannot please. But cannot please, one may not please. Kim na aradayet, whom can not one please?
Pratinivishta murkha jana chittam na aradhayet.
Pratinivishta murkha jana chittam, the chitta, the mind of a murkha jana, foolish person, who is given further here qualification, pratinivishta. Pratinivishta means hardened fool. Pratinivishta, hardened fool, confirmed fool, as we say. There is one more word in English, obstinate fool. A fool, not a simple fool, but an obstinate fool he is. Pratinivishta murkha jana chittam na aradayet. But all impossible things said above may be possible, but one cannot please, convince an obstinate fool, foolish person, or a hardened, perverse, foolish person. That is the meaning of this. Now, Anvayartham, Srinivas.
Makaravakta damshtantarat manim prasakya uddharet.
Yeah. Makara Vaktra Damstrantarat, from the jaws, from the teeth literally, but here jaws of the Makara, that is crocodile. Manim Prasahya Uddharet, one may forcibly take out, extract a gem.
Prachalat urmimala akulam samudram api santare.
One might even cross the ocean, which is continuously agitated, ocean with agitated waters.
Kopitam bhujangam api pushpavat shirasi dharayet.
One might even put on an angered, enraged snake like a flower on the head. But it is not possible to please, one may not please the mind of a obstinate fool. That is the meaning. Padartham idanim pashyamaha. Makara Vaktra Damstrantarat.
Graha mukhasya damstrabhyantarat.
Graha means Makara. Graha means which is catches. Graha mukasya, Makara mukasya, damstrabhyantarat. Damstra nama, there are two words here, Srinivas. Damstra is in Pullinga also there. Large teeth is called damstra. Tusk, fangs. Damstra is also used for fang in English, and also tusk. There is a Strilinga Shabda also, damstra. So, damstra bhyantarat, graha mukasya, makara mukasya, damstra abhyantarat. Samasa we will see later. From the jaws of the crocodile. What is given? Manim muktadi ratna. Like a jewel, etc. Prasahya, hatat, by force. Avyaya, uddharet, bahir. That means if there is a jewel caught in the jaws of the crocodile, is it easily extractable? No. But one might take out the jewel caught in between the jaws of the deadly crocodile by force. That is the saying. Uddharet bhahi nishkasane samartha. One may be able to take out, extract the jewel from the jaws of the deadly crocodile. Prachalat urmimala kulam. Prachalat is an adjective for urmi shabda here. Urmi, wave. Prachalantyaha urmayaha tasam. Urmayaha tasam malaha. So this is a big word here, samasa. I think explain. Let me see. It is. Yeah, it is. It is explained. We'll go to that samasa. Chancha
taranga tatir yasam sir.
Chancha taranga. Chancha taranga tati vyaptam. Tati means mala. Tati means, it is a word, chanchat taranga. That is chanchala taranga. Chanchat taranga means chanchala taranga. Taranga, you know, urmi. This word I was not getting. Chanchat taranga tati mala vihi vyaptam. Spread, terrible, fickle. Chanchat means chanchala taranga tati. Taranga mala vihi. Mala vihi or mala vihi, you can say, yes. Vyaptam, that is spread. Vyaptam is caught up, you can say. Vikshiptam. Vikshiptam, caught up in the troubled waters of the moving, continuous moving waves. Samudramapi. Srinivas.
Yeah, Samudramapi, Sagaramapi.
Sagaramapi, even the ocean. Santaret. Tartum shaknuyat. Tartum shaknuyat. One may be able to cross over. Tartum, tarana. Tartum shaknuyat. One might be able to cross even the troubled waves of the, from the troubled waves of the, ocean. Next. Kopitam.
Rosha Vashibhutam.
Rosha Vashibhutam. Yeah, that which has been angered. But the English translation angry is not that. Angered is better. Rosha Vashibhutam, which has been subject to anger. Bhujangamapi. Ahimapi. Ahi is another shabda which is given in Kosha. Sarpamapi. Bhujanga nama ahihi sarpam bhujagaha. Several words are there. We will see that. Even a snake. Then pushpavat. Kusumam iva, like a flower. Shirasi, mastake, on the head. Dharayet. Dharayitum prabhavet, might wear. Can wear, might wear, whatever it is. Tu. Kintu. Pratinivistha. Murkha jana chittam.
Duragraha grastasya mudha narasya manasam.
Now, duragraha gastasya mudha narasya manasam. The mind of a foolish person who is duragraha means very difficult to convince him. Duragraha grastasya, one who is caught up with obstinacy. Duragraha grastasya means one who is whose mind is caught up with obstinacy. In other words, katina, Srinivas, pratinivishta can make katina, murkajana chittam, or durdama, very difficult to tame such mind. Some minds are very strong in this, negatively strong minds. Even, like in the case of hardcore criminals, when they are caught and interrogated by the police, it's very, very difficult on the part of the police to crack them down, to make them speak the truth. Here, such thing, pratinivishta means very, very hard-minded, otherwise, who's obstinate-minded people, pratinivishta. Durdama katina murka jana chittam manasam na aradhayet na prasadayitum prabhave. One might not be able to please the mind of an obstinate fool, a confirmed fool, hardened fool, you can say hardened fool. So, all impossible things can be made possible, but not pleasing the hardcore fool. You can say hardcore terrorist, but hardcore fool. An obstinate fool, that is what he means here. We'll look into the Bhavartha, Srinivas.
मनुष्यः जलजन्तोः मकरस्य दंष्ट्रमध्यात्
बलपूर्वकं
मणिं निस्सारयितुं शक्नुयात्.
No, the Bhavartha says Manushyaha Shaknuyat, man may be able to Jalajantoho Makarasya. Makara, the crocodile, which is a aquatic animal. Damstra Madhyat. We can't say Danta Madhyat here. Damstra is a strong word here. So Damstra Madhyat, from the jaws of the crocodile. Balapurvakam Hatat Prasahya, by force, Manim, a jewel, Nissarayitum, to extract Shaknuyat. Man may be able to do this. Next, Taranga Sagaramapi Param Kuryat, Param Gachet. That means a man may go to the other side, may cross the ocean, which is Tarangamala Kulam. Urmimala Kulam Tarangamala, which is agitated. Akula means agitated, which is constantly agitated by the continuous waves. One may cross over and go to the shore. Kruddham Shirasi. One might even be able to put on an angered serpent on the head like a flower. But Dushkara Karmakarta. Duragraha Vishtam. Kintu, but Etadrusha Dushkara Karmakarta, man who can perform the above said difficult tasks. Dushkara Karmakarta, man who might be able to perform the above difficult tasks, may not be possible for him also to Manavaha. Duragraha Avishtam, that is Katina, Katinam Murkam, Murkasya Chittam Tatra Samadhatum Prasadayitum Na Shakniyat. He might not be able to please the mind of a obstinate fool, that is what. So it's very clear, we have very elaborately said, all impossible things can be made possible, but it may not be possible to please the foolish person. That is the summary of it. In English, translations, Srinivas, he can, cross the ocean full of troubled waves. What English this? One might cross even the agitated, even the sea, even agitated sea is better. One can even put on his head the irritated snake. Angered snake is better, not irritated like a flower, but he cannot appease a perverse fool or a stubborn fool. That will be better. Okay, let us leave that. Where did we come across Upasar? Yeah, Nidarshanam. Sandhi Dvayam Urmimala Kulam.
Urmimala plus
Akulam, Savanadivis. Pushpavad Dharayet.
Pushpavad plus Dharayet Jastva.
Samasa Trayam. Makara Vaktra Damshaptarat.
Makarasya Vaktram, Makaravatram Shashtiratram Samasam. Tasmin Damstraha, Makara Vaktra Damstraha, Saptami Tatpurush Samasam. Makara Vaktra Damstra
Nam. Makara Vaktra Damstranam Antaram.
Makara Vaktra Damstrantaram Shashtiratpurusha. Tasmat Makara Vaktra Damstrantaram.
This is, you have to understand. First step, Makarasya Vaktram. Vaktram Nama Ananam Mukam. The face of a crocodile is equal to Makara Vaktram, Shashti Tatpurusha. the face of a crocodile. Tasmin nama makara vaktre, in the mouth of a crocodile. Tasmin means in that. Tasmin nama kasmin makara vaktre damstraha. If it is a mouth, there should be teeth, but here jaws. Tasmin damstraha. So damstra shabda, as I told you, is both pullinga and strilinga. Damstraha, damstrau, damstraha. Strilinga, damstra, damstri, damstraha. But this can be, but here looking at this plural, it could be bahuvachana of pullinga, it could be bahuvachana of strilinga. You know, devaha, devau, devaha. Rama, rame, ramaha. Both are same looking. Even pullinga looks the same, strilinga also looks the same in prathama bahuvachana. Prathama bahuvachana. Deva. So, damstra shabda is both dvilingaka, that is pullinga as well as strilinga. Makara vaktra damstraha. Tasmin damstraha makara vaktra damstraha. That means makara vaktre vartamanaha damstraha iti. Saptami tatpurusha. Makara vaktra damstranam, of the jaws in the mouth of the crocodile. Antaram. Antaram means the interior, the inside. Antaha bhagam. The inside, the interior part of the, between the jaws. Makara vaktra damstranam antara. Antara means the internal interior of the jaws of the mouth of the crocodile. Shashti Purusha. Tasmat, from that. That means from the jaws of the, from the internal part of the jaws of the crocodile. Okay, that is okay. Then Prachalad Urmi Malakulam.
Prachalantyah taha urmayaha
Cha Prachalad Urmayaha. This is Karmada. Let us first understand this. Prachalat is a Shatru Pratyayanta. Prachalanti in Strilinga. Prachalan moving. Prachalantau Prachalantaha. Shatru we have studied. Shatru Shanach Pratyayantas. Present active participle. Angla Bhashayam. Prachal dhatu at. Prachalat. The base is Prachalat. Prachalat nakshatram. The moving star. Prachalan naraha. The moving man. Prachalat vahanam. If you say the moving, the moving vehicle it becomes. Prachalat vahanam. So it is derivable in all the three lingas. Any Shatru Pratyayanta. Here it is in Strilinga. Prachalanti, Prachalantyau, Prachalantyaha. Like what Shabda you tell me now? Nadi. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Prachalanti, Prachalantyau, Prachalantyaha. Then comes Taha. What is this Taha? Strilinga of Tat Shabda. Sa, Te, Taha. Why everything is running in feminine? Because Urmi Shabda is Strilinga. Urmihi, Urmi, Urmayaha. Vikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. Urmihi, Urmi, Urmayaha. Because this subject is Strilinga, Prachalat is Strilinga, and that Taha pronoun is also Strilinga. Prachalantyaha, Taha, Urmayaha. Those waves which are moving. Prachalad Urmayaha, the moving waves, it becomes Karmadharya. Next. Prachalad Urminam Mala. Prachalad Urmi Mala. Shashti Tat. So you get in the next step Prachalad Urminam Mala. The continuity, Mala means here continuity of the moving waves becomes Prachalad Urmi Mala. Malavihi. By those rows of waves of Akulam disturbed. Akulam means disturbed. This is Trutiyata. Because from here, Tavihi, Malavihi, Akulam. Agitated by those continuously moving waves. Trutiya Tatpurusham. And the entire this Prachalat Urmimala Kulam is what? And Visheshana Padatu, Samudram. Prachalat Urmimala Kulam is a Visheshana adjective for Samudram. What type of Samudra is he talking about? That Samudra which has a continuous, which is been continuously agitated by the waves. Even that ocean can be crossed over. Next, Pratinivishta Murkajana Chittam.
Pratinivishtaha aso Murkajanaha. Pratinivishta Murkajanaha Karmadhara.
First step you understand. Pratinivishtaha. Pratinivishta means Kathina, as I told you. Viparita, also you can say Viparita. Quite opposite, contrary fellow. How is Pratinivishta given? Is it shown here? Anywhere? Prati upasarga, ni upasarga, vishadhatu, ktanta. Prati iti eka upasarga, anya upasarga, ni iti upasarga, visha iti dhatu. So you get in ktanta pratinivishta. This ni upasarga has many roles in Sanskrit. There are about 17 meanings given there. This ni avyaya, sorry, this is an avyaya added to prepositions and etc. Mostly used as a prefix it is. Ni upasarga, avyaya, used to verbs and nouns. It is used with verbs and nouns and rarely with as an adverb or preposition. Prati upasarga ni avyaya. There are 17 meanings given somewhere I have read. In one artha, in Pratama meaning is, Pratama artha, low, nisada, nishidatu, sitting down, in the sense of down. Lowness, downward position, it, nipatati, like in the example, Srinivas. Patati means falls. Nipatati means falls down. You get the sense of down here. Nipatati. Nipatanam is different, patanam is different. Patanam is falling, nipatanam is totally falling down. So ni gives a downward sense in one. I am just giving example. This is a curious avyaya pada. And the secondary meaning in which it is used, collection, in the sense of collection. Nikara, madhu nikara, a group of honey. So nikara and such words. Ni in the samuhartha. Intensity, nikama, very much desiring. So nikama, or intensity, nigruhitam. Gruhitam means captured. Nigruhitam means totally arrested. Nigruhitam. So that is intensity one. Command also it is used in this sense. Desha, nidesha. Nidesha, the command. In continuity it is used, nivishate, so many meanings are there. And in the sense of nipunatva, nipuna, skill, the word nipuna, nipuna, expert, in skillful, and several meanings are there, but here it is used in this sense. No, why I recall this? Prati is upasarga purely. This is ni, the importance of ni here. Yeah. Nivishta, prati ni vish. Nivishta murka jana chittam. So, prati nivishta murka jana chittam. The mind of a hardened fool. The mind of a hardened fool, obstinate fool. Kathina, murka, Janasya chittam iti tatrartha. So samasas are over, krudantas are two. Kopitam. Actually, kupa plus tanta becomes kupita, not kopita. Kupa plus tanta becomes kupita. That is what I have been pointing out from the beginning. It is wrongly translated as angry. Kupita is angry, kopita is angered, that is the meaning change there. Kopitam should be explained as kupa nichikta. Prayanartha should be there. Kupa plus nich Plesikta, that is missing here. Kup plista is kupita but not kopita. Bhujangaha,
Bhujiti dhatu. Bhuj. Gam.
to eat. That is also a verb. Bhuja bhakshane. Gamiti dhatuhu.
Dhatu. Kip.
It is not quip, I checked it. It should be kach. There is another pratyaya called kach from which you get a only. So bhuj gam plus kach, it becomes bhujanga. This is all advanced grammar. For the time being, let them concentrate only what is given here. So two krudantas here. Kupita is kopita. Bhujanga is bhuja gam, not quip kach. Atra vayam sthapayama. Shubham bhuyam.